Hi guys, Miss Hallett here. Are you ready to learn some more about bar graphs? Good, because I'm ready to teach you. Here we go. We're going to be doing an activity. So here's a group of students. This group of students collected data from this question. Are you wearing red? Let's look at the picture for a moment. Can you count how many students are wearing red? This girl, not wearing red. Boy here, not wearing red. This fellow here, not wearing red. This little girl, she's not wearing red either. Oh, here's a little boy, he's wearing red. The little boy behind him, also wearing red. This girl, not wearing red. And this girl back here, she is wearing red. So how many students are wearing red? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3. Excellent. So 3 students are wearing red. Now, can you answer this? How many students are not wearing red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students are not wearing red. Now I made up this little tally chart here. Students wearing red, we have 3. I did a tally chart and then I also put the number. Students not wearing red, 5. Number 5. Now I also summarized, I said, the data shows that 3 students are wearing red and 5 students are not wearing red. Now you're wondering, what would this look like in a bar graph? I know you're wondering. Let me show you. So I put all of my data, I described and summarized this data by putting it into a bar graph. All right, so I have the title of my bar graph here. Are you wearing red? That's my title. I have the label over here that labels my scale right here. Here's my scale. This is my label, number of students. This is also the y-axis, okay, over here. Now I have my categories, wearing red and not wearing red. And then I have my x-axis right here. Okay, wearing red, not wearing red. Here are my bars. I have a red bar and a gray bar. And let's look at this carefully here. We have wearing red. How many students are wearing red? Follow the line all the way over. Yes, number 3 here. So 3 students are wearing red and not wearing red. Follow the line on the scale. 5 students are not wearing red. Notice my scale goes from 0 to 6 and I counted by ones because there weren't that many students. So I thought, I'll just count by ones. So here is my bar graph of students who are wearing red. Okay, now let's answer some questions about this. Answering questions from data that we took and put into a bar graph. So here's my bar graph. How many students were surveyed? Well, it doesn't say on here total number of students anywhere. So as a problem solver, I'm going to look at how many students were wearing red. 3. How many students were not wearing red? 5. Could I add together to get my total? I sure could. Students that were wearing red plus students not wearing red equals total students surveyed. So 3 plus 5 equals 8 students surveyed. So I could answer my question. How many students were surveyed? 8 students were surveyed. It was kind of a small survey. Here's my circled answer. 8 students surveyed. Next question. How many more students were not wearing red than wearing red? Okay, so I need to be a problem solver. I need to think, okay? So how many more students were not wearing red than were wearing red? Okay, so I know not wearing red is right here. So 5 students were not wearing red and 3 students were. So how many more students? I could count up by going 3, 4, 5, or I could subtract. 5 students minus 3 students equals 2 students. Let's see. So this is what I did. Students not wearing red, which was the larger number, which was 5, minus students wearing red, which is 3. That equaled the difference. That means how many more students. So 5 minus 3 equals 2 more students not wearing red than wearing red. And there is my answer. Okay? So that is how I answered some questions about my bar graph. All right, guys, see you soon.